Hey, crypto and finance enthusiasts. Today, let's unpack Bullish, the Peter Thiel-backed crypto exchange that just made a wild splash on the NYSE under ticker BLSH. We'll break down what the company actually does, what happened in its IPO, and what analysts are saying about its prospects. Let's jump in. Founded in 2021, Bullish operates as a global digital asset platform primarily serving institutional clients. The company provides market infrastructure and information services, including indices, custody, and analytics. It also owns CoinDesk, a leading crypto news, data, and analytics provider. Since launch, the platform has facilitated over $1.25 trillion in trading volume as of March 2025. Bullish positions itself as a more stable alternative to retail-heavy platforms, focusing on core assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, potentially shielding performance from volatile altcoin swings. Bullish priced its IPO at $37 per share on August 12 to 13, 2025, well above its initial target of $32 to $33, raising roughly $1.01 $1.11 billion by selling 30 million shares. The listing took off. Shares opened around $90, soared to a high near $118, and then closed near $70, roughly 85 to 90% above the IPO price. At its intraday peak, Bullish's market cap approached $13 billion, compared to its IPO valuation of around $5.4 billion. This volatility even triggered trading halts early on. Analysts and investors are watching Bullish closely. Ed Engel from Compass Point notes that Bullish's focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum may offer more consistent performance than retail trading platforms, which tend to chase highly volatile altcoins. Michael Hall of Nickel Digital agrees, saying its institutional strategy gives it the potential for more stable, recurring revenue than platforms centered on retail trading. On the balance sheet, Bullish holds about $2 billion in crypto assets, including BTC, ETH, and some stablecoins, giving it asset exposure and upside in a rising crypto market. That said, analysts also warn that IPOs that surge dramatically on day one can face challenges maintaining long-term performance. Bullish's debut is symbolic, not just for the company, but for the broader crypto market. The explosive investor demand and huge first-day moves suggest renewed confidence in the space, especially among institutional players. It underscores growing acceptance of crypto assets as mainstream investments and may open the door for peers like Gemini and Grayscale to follow suit. So, will Bullish ride this momentum, or is this just day one hype? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto and IPO breakdowns, and thanks for hanging with me.